What's up, everybody? This was Mardi Gras weekend in St. Louis, which is a huge party. And I flew my drone a little bit, so I thought I would share some of my footage. So this is the very end of the parade route. I was having too much fun at the parade to fly the drone before this, but just before it ended, I launched it and just kind of flew it. We're going north here up Broadway, the parade route. So now the streets underneath me is empty because the parade's over, but the street to the left is where all the people were, of course, and they're milling about now. So flying north up Broadway. Here's Russell and Broadway. And this is kind of probably the busiest intersection of the whole parade route, so all the people are leaving, going up the hill, up Russell, to the bars and other parties going on. And so then I brought the drone back to me. There I am sitting on the curb, or kind of an angled sidewalk, kind of weird thing. That's me in the masculine purple feather boa there. All right, and then later on in the day, I went back home and I launched the drone from my house. So this is me launching it from the front house. And then I flew down down Russell into the chaos. Sped up the video a little here. People aren't really driving that fast on 55, although probably pretty close. There's all the Ubers and Lyfts waiting to pick people up. This kind of bothers me a little bit, the way the drone went to the left like that. I didn't command it to do that. I don't know why it did that. The GPS lock should have kept it from the wind from taking it to the left. So I don't know what that was about, but thankfully there was no buildings or trees over there. Anyway, this is Russell and 12th Street. McGurk's is down and to the right. But this is kind of the party central of Mardi Gras, at least in my opinion. There's a DJ booth there, and so all the people are dancing around. I thought it was kind of cool to leave it in fast motion. This is a different intersection. This is kind of down by Clementine's, and I just thought this was kind of cool. I hovered over these folks for a little bit because they were bopping around that purple ball you see at the top of the screen. So I thought that was kind of fun to watch from above. Wondering if anybody could hear or see my drone up there. They probably didn't care. This lady gets hit on the back of the head right there. I thought that was kind of funny. Anyway, good times at Mardi Gras. So that's just now looking east down Russell, and it's just people as far as you can see, almost to the river practically. And this is coming back up Russell. So that's McGurk's to the upper left there. Again, this intersection just fascinates me, how many people pack in here and how much energy there is in the crowd as people try to snake their way through the crowd and the dancers. Bunch of people dancing there in the upper left side of the screen. It's the DJ booth. There, like a DJ in yellow spinning the records. And so finally I did get the drone back home safely. So here I am trying to find my house as I watch the people stumble across the sidewalks trying to get back to their cars or houses or whatever. There I am looking for the drone. Okay, I found it. Bring it down. Safe and sound. There we go. That was Mardi Gras 2020 in St. Louis from the drone's perspective.